If you're paying rent right now, this episode might make you feel a little uncomfortable.
But in a good way.
Because today we're walking through every single step of buying a home in Arizona, from the moment you realize you're done renting
to the moment that keys hit your hand.
We're talking about the steps to home ownership today on State 48 Homeowner.
Hi, I'm Kenny Klaus, and this is State 48 Homeowner.
Let's start with the decision. If you're paying $2,250 a month in rent, that feels normal. It feels manageable.
But zoom out for a second.
4 years of that rent is $108,000.
That's not hypothetical money. That's real money you already earned.
You didn't waste it. You had a place to live, but you did build zero equity.
And this is usually the moment most people say, okay, I think I want to explore something different.
Not commit, not panic, just explore. Once you decide you might want to buy, the next decision is who you want to trust to guide you. And that decision matters more than most people realize.
Because every buyer has access to the same listings. What's different is the guidance.
At the Klaus Team, we don't believe a buyer agent's job is just to open doors.
Doors are easy, good decisions are harder.
A Klaus Team home guide starts by understanding you, not just your budget, but your timeline, your comfort level, and what success actually looks like for your life.
We ask better questions so you can make better choices.
Here's what most buyers don't see. When you work with a Klaus Team home guide, you're not hiring just one person.
You're getting an entire team.
Market analysis, contract experts, transaction managers, local specialists.
All working behind the scenes to protect you.
Arizona is not a forgiving state for mistakes. Deadlines matter, forms matter, disclosure matters.
A missed date or a poorly written clause can cost you thousands, or the house itself.
That's why our home guides don't operate on memory or gut instinct.
They operate on systems, checklists, and experience.
We also coach our buyers in real time. When to push, when to wait, and when to walk away.
Sometimes the best move we help a buyer make is to not buy the house that they thought they wanted.
One of the hardest things to say as an agent is, I don't think this is the right house for you.
But long-term trust matters more than short-term wins.
Our job isn't to get you under contract.
Our job is to get you the home, confident, protected, and excited about that decision.
A Klaus Team home guide isn't paid more to rush you.
They're measured by how well they serve you.
That's why our buyers often say the same thing after closing.
I didn't realize how much work was happening behind the scenes.
Choosing a home is emotional.
Guiding someone through it should be intentional.
That's what a Klaus Team home guide brings.
Not pressure, not guesswork.
Just clear guidance every step of the way. Before you can even make an offer in Arizona, you must have a valid pre-qualification or a proof of funds.
No letter, no offer, period.
And this isn't just a formality, it's the foundation.
Our lending partner, Steve Farrington, says it best.
Pre-approval isn't how much you can spend, it's how much you'll feel comfortable spending month after month. We'll look at your finances, look at loan programs, and see not only what you're approved for, but what monthly payment you're comfortable with.
And that clarity changes everything. With that, we can solidify your criteria.
This is the step most buyers don't expect. And honestly, it's one of the most important.
Because this is where your wish list meets reality.
Up until this point, everything has been hypothetical. Then the pre-approval comes in, and now the numbers are real.
We start with the obvious: price range, monthly payment comfort zone, and the loan type.
Then we go deeper. Commute, lifestyle, how long you plan to stay, what you can change and what you can't. I worked with a buyer who came in convinced they needed 4 bedrooms, a 3-car garage, and they wanted a brand new home.
That was the dream.
But when the pre-approval came back, it was lower than they expected, and the payment was higher than they were comfortable with.
And this is where people usually panic.
Instead, we paused and we asked better questions.
What actually mattered most?
They chose location, a slightly older home, 1 less bedroom.
But closer to work, closer to family, and a payment that they felt good about every month?
6 months after closing, they told me something I'll never forget.
We would have hated the house we thought we wanted.
This debt protects you from 2 things: overbuying and buyer's remorse.
Your Klaus Team guide isn't here to sell you the biggest house that you qualify for.
We're here to help you choose the right house for your life.
That means sometimes saying, let's remove that must-have.
Or let's add flexibility here so you win when the right home shows up. Solidifying your criteria doesn't limit you.
It focuses on you.
And focused buyers make better decisions.
And stronger offers.
And once your criteria is locked in,
That's when the search gets fun. This is a step where everything changes.
because now it's not numbers or hypotheticals. It's real houses.
You're opening front doors, walking through living rooms, standing in kitchens.
You're checking closet space, imagining furniture, looking out backyards, checking out the neighbors.
You start asking different questions. Could this work? Could I live here? Could this be my home?
And that's when emotion starts to creep in, quietly at first.
Meanwhile, your Klaus Team home guide is doing something very
We're
different.
watching how the house lives, not just how it looks.
We're noticing layout flow, natural light, noise conditions, long-term resale.
Things that you feel, but maybe you might not be able to name yet.
We're also protecting your time, not showing homes that don't fit your criteria, not chasing listings that don't make sense.
Because every showing should move you closer to clarity, not confusion.
By the third, fifth, eighth home,
You start to recognize patterns. What matters, what doesn't.
your confidence grows, even if the perfect home hasn't shown up yet.
This step isn't about falling in love.
It's about learning,
Learning what feels right,
learning what you'll compromise on,
and learning to recognize the right yes when it finally appears.
not pressure, not impulse.
Just informed excitement, guided, grounded, and intentional. But then there's always a moment. You walk in and something just clicks. It's like a first date that really goes well.
Your shoulders drop. You start analyzing.
You look at each other and say, I think this one might be the one.
That's when emotions peak and guidance matters the most. Now we research,
Comparable sales, market trends, days on market, seller motivation.
seller disclosures, property specifics, neighborhood, what's unique about this home. Does the asking price make sense?
Because loving a home is great, but loving it at the right price is even better.
This is where most buyers realize an offer is way more than just a price.
It's a strategy, and every line matters.
Let's start with earnest money. In Arizona, earnest money is typically around 1% of the purchase price.
It's paid up front, shows good faith, and it gets credited towards your down payment at closing. Now here's where your home guide becomes critical. Your agent knows the market you're buying in right now.
Is this a competitive situation where strong, clean terms matter the most?
Or is it a market where it makes sense to reduce the net to seller through concessions instead of price?
That's not guesswork.
That's experience.
Then we decide what's included.
Refrigerator?
Washer dryer?
If it's not written into the offer, it doesn't come with the home.
We also look at who's paying for what.
Closing costs, repairs, credits.
Every one of those affects the true value of the offer for you and for the seller.
Two offers can be the same price.
And one can still be clearly better.
Better timing, cleaner terms, higher net to the seller.
Sometimes there are terms, rent backs, longer escrows, inspection flexibility.
Your agent helps you decide when those things make sense and when they don't. Everything in the offer impacts value
Value to you.
and attractiveness to the seller.
A Klaus Team home guide doesn't just write offers. We position them to win in this market. And then it comes, we give you the call.
Offer accepts.
This is a moment you've been working toward.
The late nights, the showings, the decisions.
It's okay to celebrate this time.
High five, hug, happy text to the group chat.
Because for a lot of buyers, this is the first time it feels real.
Your offer was chosen.
Your plan worked and you're officially under contract.
Once the offer is accepted, this is where we slow things down a little bit on purpose.
Because now it's time to understand the house, not just love it. A licensed home inspector will typically spend 3 to 4 hours going through the entire property.
Roof, attic, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, foundation.
They're opening panels, testing systems, crawling in spaces most buyers will never see.
And the goal isn't to find a perfect house. It's to understand the condition of the one that you're buying,
Every home has issues.
even brand new ones.
Inspection isn't about being scared, it's about being informed.
After inspections, Arizona uses a formal document called the BINSR. It's the buyer's inspection notice and seller's response. We like abbreviations.
This is where you make a decision. You have 3 options. Accept the home as is, cancel and walk away, or request repairs or credits.
And this is where your agent's market knowledge becomes critical.
What you ask for depends heavily on the current market.
In a competitive market, we might focus on major safety or structural items only.
If it's a softer market, we may negotiate more aggressively, repairs, credits, or even a price adjustment.
This isn't about emotion.
It's about leverage, context, and protection.
Your Klaus Team home guides help you separate normal wear and tear from legitimate concerns.
Cosmetic issues from deal breakers.
And then they advocate for you, clearly, professionally, and strategically.
This step protects buyers from surprises after closing.
It gives you clarity before you commit fully.
And no matter which direction you choose,
It's your choice, guided, informed, and protected. If you're financing, the lender orders what's called an appraisal.
it confirms the value supports the price that you offered. It's the opinion of a very experienced home appraiser using the current market and recent comparable sales.
If it comes in low, we renegotiate. If it comes in solid, we move forward.
From acceptance to closing, your Klaus Team transaction manager coordinates everything.
Title, lender, deadlines, documents, compliance.
You'll choose homeowners insurance, schedule utilities.
And we even offer a free concierge service to handle most of those utilities for you.
Meanwhile, you're packing, planning, getting ready for closing day.
Now, closing day is exciting. It's the big day. It's the transfer of funds and ownership.
Sometimes it's a bit of a waiting game on pins and needles, but once a county records it, it's official.
Bada bing, bada boom, you are a homeowner.
This is a moment everyone waits for. Keys in hand, doors opened.
Your home, and it's your home.
Buying a home isn't one big leap. It's a series of intentional steps.
And when you understand the path, the fear fades.
You don't have to have everything figured out to start.
You just need a conversation and the right guide.
If you're renting, thinking, wondering, or just curious,
We're here to help when you're ready. If you have more questions or you want to start the homeowner journey, reach out to us at 480-354-7344 or visit klausteam.com. And if this video was helpful, click the like and subscribe for more content just like this. We look forward to helping you make your landlord find a new tenant. Now go make it a great day.
Another rent check, same old door, same thin walls we've heard before. Landlord says, don't change a thing, but it don't feel like living, it feels like waiting. Prices up, numbers loud, feels like everybody's counting us out. But we're done standing still, we want something real. I want a place where the keys are mine, where the future grows one room at a time. Ain't the walls any shade we choose, leave our marks, yeah, break the rules. A place to land, a place to start, not just a space, a beating heart. I don't wanna miss this life anymore, I want a home, yeah, this one's ours. Same school drop off every day, same friends growing up our way. Backyard laughs, scraped up knees, front porch talks and family trees. It's not just square feet and loans, it's knowing this is where we belong. Every dollar we put inside, build something that stays alive. I want a place where the keys are mine, where the future grows one room at a time. Paint the walls any shape we choose, leave our marks, yeah, break the rules. A place to land, a place to start, not just a space, a beating heart. I don't wanna rent this life anymore, I want a home, yeah, this one's ours. Maybe it's scary, maybe it's tight, but every dream starts with a first try. We've got our needs, our numbers, our plan. Just need the right help to understand. We want a place where the keys are ours, where the nights feel safe and the days feel loud. Same address, same front door, more than a house, so much more. We're done giving rent our paychecks, we're building equity, building next. home guide showed us the way. More than one path, more than one play. Different needs, different financial views. Multiple solutions built around you. Now we're standing right where we belong. Yeah, this one's ours. This one's ours.
Thanks for spending time with us this week at State 48 Homeowner, the ins and outs of owning an Arizona home. You can connect with us for more information, submit topics you'd like us to further discuss. You can see relevant videos, give us feedback, answer your real estate questions, and more at state48homeowner.com.